Hello my dear children, good morning to all of you. I hope all you are happy and doing well. Welcome back in our English class. As you know children, we have already learned sound of letter A to P. Today we will learn sound of letter Q and R. So let's start. This is letter Q. Sound of letter Q is qua. Sound of letter is qua. Q, qua, quill. Q, qua, quill. Q, qua, quilt. Q, qua, quilt. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, queen. Q says qua. Q says qua. Now we can make more words from sound of Q. Q, qua, quarter. Q, qua, quiz. Q, qua, question mark. Now we will learn sound of letter R. This is letter R. Sound of letter R is R. Sound of letter R is R. R, R, rat. R, R, rat. R, R, rocket. R, R, rocket. R, R, rose. R, R, rose. R says R. R says R. Now we can make more words from sound of R. For example, R, R, rope. R, R, robot. R, R, radish. Now children, you do practice and learn all the sounds. Thank you and have a nice day.